In this video, I'll show you how to insert your batteries inside your Xbox Series S controller. So let's get started right away. So what you need to do is to go on the back of the controller, and here we have the battery panel. The easiest way I found out is take your thumbs, stick it right in the middle here, and you'll need to swipe up this cover like this. So push and swipe up at the same time, like that. Then take it out, and now we have to insert the two AAA batteries. And to know which way they go, over here, I don't know if you see on the camera, but there's a plus sign on this metal piece, and here there is a minus sign. So take your first battery, locate the positive side, the one with the plus, and it needs to go where the plus sign is on the controller. Here is a negative, so we'll just take the other part, put it like this, and push it. This controller also takes rechargeable batteries. I found out that when I use mine, they last about 9 hours, depending how much I'm pressing on the controller. Obviously, the non-rechargeable ones last me about 7 hours. Again, it really depends on which game you're playing. I'll put links in the description if you want to get some batteries from Amazon. Then to put back the cover, you just have to put it right on the top here and then slide it back in until it clicks, like that. And you're good to go. Press the button, and this way you will power your Xbox and see that everything is working. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, check the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.